Hey all, my cameraman has just asked me about how we do viewings that of properties or real estate or investment of any real estate that seals the deal. Well, it isn't only the viewing. It is the viewing plus what you do next to the viewing. In a viewing, and I'm talking to estate agents here, with buyers, please listen as well, because you can help your agent help you. But for agents, the number one thing is use our ears. We need to hear what this buyer is asking and saying. What are the objections? Objections are music to my ears, because this is the only way a buyer can say, I need more information, I want more information, help me. I'm not getting to a point where I can make a decision. So when the objections stop, you've either got to know they're ready to buy or they're never going to buy. And next to that, the information you give a buyer. Do not overfeed a buyer with unnecessary information if that's not what they're needing. You need to ask relevant questions as to what suits and fits this buyer. Is the buyer needing more information in terms of due diligence? Is the buyer needing stats on the area? Is the buyer needing stats on schools and community? Is the buyer a buyer that really needs to number crunch some more? What is the key factors in buying for this particular buyer? And by really hearing the objections and by really asking the right questions, you will close the deal. Happy selling.